thought you were gonna do that.
How do you know?
Because I saw it in the video. First you put in my cup and then you put hot water and then you mix.
Bonjour.
Hello. Bonjour.
Good morning.
Good morning, Daddy.
Alright, now today I made this classic French breakfast. It's called what, mommy?
Mr. Bread.
Croque
Mr. Frosty.
Monsiuer. Yeah, so what it means that it's Mr. Crunchy. So 中文是脆先生. Yeah, and there's another version of it. If you put a fried egg on top, it becomes a woman.
Woman.
Yeah, it's called Mrs. Crunchy. It's called Croque Monsiuer. 叫脆小姐. Oh, do you guys like it?
I like it.
Oh, so it's made of a cheese. It's a cheese and ham sandwich.
Yeah. I want to say
Okay, go ahead.
I like the eggy.
Like the eggy, yeah. Anyone want to say
I like
anything
the
else?
whole thing.
You like the whole thing? Wow, amazing.
And also strawberry.
Oh yes, yeah, we all need some fruits, right?
Okay, maybe drum roll.
Okay, drum roll. Okay, I got 5. Okay, Nini didn't like it too much. But thank you, everyone.
We
And
got
thank you for watching our video.
There's 7 fingers.
Subscribe and leave a like in the like station again. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.